After the powerful hurricane, Jamaica's coastal towns lie in ruins. Streets are flooded, roofs torn off, and trees have fallen everywhere. Many neighborhoods are submerged. Houses, cars, and entire streets remain underwater.
Thousands are left without electricity. Entire towns are plunged into darkness at night.
Residents return to inspect the damage, searching through debris to find what little they can save. Emergency teams rush to help. Government officials survey the damage and coordinate aid distribution. Evacuation centers provide temporary shelter, food, and clean water for displaced families. Despite the devastation, Jamaicans stand together, rebuilding, helping each other, and refusing to lose hope.